Yeah, hi guys. I thought I'd take you guys along for today's shopping. I was heading down to Coles to buy some dinner stuff. Anyway, no one's here at the elevator, so let's go, guys. Yep, let me press the button here. And we wait. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Let's go. And here I go with my shopping bag. Now we arrived down to the bottom floor, and let me show you guys how empty it is. Hey, don't look at my... Nah, let's go. Anyway, when you turn right, you look up there, it looks so deserted. There's only about 3 people, 4 or 5. Yeah, well, yeah, not much people. It's like a ghost town. Everyone's at home, keeping safe, and here I am, going shopping because I got to get food for my family. Yeah, and there's a sign there that says, what does it say, guys? It says, I love Mount Druitt. Yeah, I love Mount Druitt. Anyway, stop looking at the sign now. Let's go. More important things to think about. Yeah. So as I'm walking up, I look over at City Chick, and I think, City Chick, I love your clothes, but sex expensive. Yeah. So everyone's got their mask on, keeping safe, and I'm just walking up. Yep, we're nearly there, guys. Don't worry. Yeah. So, oh, come on, sure. Hurry up with your short legs and get up there, Faye. Oh my God, you watsy. Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, I should have sped this up. Yeah, let me speed it up. Yeah, so I'm looking over at Rebels, and it looks like, oh, you just have to pick up your stuff. And then I'm looking over at this cafe here. Feel sorry for them because they don't get much customers in the first place, and then to have it like that, or sad, Gladys, you're gonna get it in a minute, okay? Okay. Yeah, on the left there, guys, they're building an escalator to go up to the 3rd floor. Yeah, they're doing the 3rd floor. How exciting. Anyway, and it's got to be all food court. Anyway, so my daughter wanted to go to Reject Shop, and I didn't want to go to Reject Shop. That wasn't the reason why I was there. So I said to her, you go to the Reject Shop, and I'll turn and go to Colse. So off I went. And I wanted to show you guys my bag again. And yep. So where am I? Yeah. Let's go to Colse. Heading to Colse. And then I'm going to go and get my shopping trolley. And look like a shopper. That's where the escalator I think is going to be. Yeah, no one told me, but I'm just guessing. Yeah, guys, so let's go and find my shopping trolley. Close that back door because I can hear the cat. And that's Coles right there. And right on the right there, that's where I'm going to get my food for the mukbang later. But we got other things to do. Now, can you walk your short legs over there, Faye, man? You're taking a long time, and this voiceover, you're making me talk too much. Like I don't always talk too much. Anyway, leave me alone. Yeah, okay. This is where my relationship with this lady starts. Yes, first she gets her trolley. She's in front of me. So she gets out of her trolley, and I wait patiently like a good gal. And then I'm looking over there, and then I look back, and yeah, she's getting something to clean her trolley with. So I go and get my little trolley, and this is where my big mistake comes through. I started off with a small trolley. It should have been a big one, and let me show you guys later why I shouldn't have got that. So I'm waiting for her again. Yeah, she's in my way. I need to get... Yeah, I'll just get it while her back's turned. Quickly, Faye, hurry. Yeah, oh, she turned around and caught me. Anyway, I've got some paper, wipes, and then I'm wiping. Wipe the sides, wipe the... Faye, you normally wipe the sides. Why aren't you wiping... Oh, young ala. Yeah, we missed out this side. Take your rubbish to the rubbish first. Yeah. Hello. See that lady? Always in my way. Whakari o e, lady. Now, let's go. Now, when I walk into Coles, this is what I always do. I turn left to go looking for good stuff like cakes, biscuits, bread, and there goes that lady again. She's in my way. So, come on, go the other way. Yeah, so I turn around and I Oh, and I see these finger buns. I love finger buns, but today I didn't get any finger buns, Leah. So I carried on my shopping trolley, pushed it over there, and then I saw these roti looking things. Yep, I grabbed me one because I'm gonna make curry elengi, and I'm gonna wrap it around and yum yum yum. Yes, so let's go. Now what's next? Biscuits. Yeah, I want to go and get some biscuits. So when it's time for us to watch movies and stuff, I can make my mum a Milo and some biscuit. Yep, chocolate chip cookies. Come on, let's go. Yeah, kasi. Yes, kakawala. Yeah, we're next to yeah, just having a nosy. I don't even know what I'm going to get for food, but sweet potatoes. Let's get some of that. Yeah, I'll get one because, no, let's go for the silver beet. Yeah, this is my first choice, but no, I like touching all the other bunches. Yeah, I'll touch that one first, and then I'll grab the back one there. And not enough leaves, so I go to my first choice. Yeah, get it, girl. Yeah, and then you put it in the trolley. Then you turn around to those sweet potatoes like I told you before, but you weren't listening. Yeah, that one there. One is not enough, you got a big family. Stop it. Get another one. Yeah, look for a fat one. Where? Oh, yeah, nah. Okay, go for the skinny one. Man, you don't listen, Faye. Anyway, push the trolley and let's go. Yeah. Where next? I don't know. I can't remember what I did that day. But let's go and find some. Let's touch some kiwi fruit and just have a look at it. I wish you can buy it, but no. Put it back down. Yeah, man, my dad used to say to my mom, you always go to the shop and touch all the stuff and it gets ruined by your dirty hands. That's me today. Anyway, let's go down this way. Yeah, let's just go down there. You know what I'm after, guys? I'm after some oxtail soup. Oh, not oxtail soup. See, get it right. Oxtail meat. Yeah, then I remember they only have like, not the serious stuff, only like sausages there, a bit of bacon, chicken as well, chicken sticks, but they don't have the serious stuff like oxtails. Anyway, so I'm looking at seafood as well, thinking, no, that's not what I'm going to eat today. I'm going to eat the food that's outside. Yeah, and I'm sticking to it. Don't try and change my mind. No. Go and get you some mince. Yeah, grab you some mince. Yeah, say kope ya, si kwadiva. Yeah, get it, put it in your trolley. And let's go over there. Push the trolley over there. Yeah, over there. So let's get some chicken wings. Oh, let's get it. Yeah, I'll get one packet, but then I remember I've got heaps of kids, so I'll get 2 packets. That one first, have a look, check it out. No, get the back one, have a look. You always got to check it for bruises and stuff. Yeah, yucky bruise. Anyway, get another packet, girl. Yeah, aim for the back one. I always try and go for the back ones because the back ones are hidden and, no one's, touched that. And, yeah, so now what? I'm thinking I'll get some chops, but no, corn silverside, yeah. It's been a while since we had corn silverside, so which one are you going to pick? The big one? Oh, you like those big ones. Anyway, you put that one back because most of your kids have moved out, so yeah, put it back, get the smaller one. Say, cool, yeah? Yeah, yeah, go. Yeah, take it in the trolley. Yep, that's it. You see if I fall me. Yeah. Anyway, let's go. What next? Let's have a nosy at the chops. Over there. Yeah, so walk over. Yeah, yeah. Looking. Nah. I think I'll just stick with what I got. Yeah. So turn around. I said turn around. Yeah. Anyway, still looking at them. Can you take your eyes off and look forward? Yes, always solid. Oh, yeah, look at these ribs. I like these. So does my husband. Yeah, obviously back at the kasi. Go and look for another one. Reach the ones at the back. You know the drill. So get the ones at the back. Yeah. You have a look. Check it out. Yeah. Ooh, yes. Yeah, put it in the trolley. Now you start pushing it away. And then you look away, look around, and you see another packet. So I thought I'll pick it up and compare it with the other one. No, put it back. Say kope, yeah, put it back. And then where to next? Oh yeah, I'll get some chicken like this because it's already cooked. All I need to do is warm it up when I'm lazy to cook. Yeah, that one there. Now pick it up. Yep. Let's go. Oh, she fancy restacking along a trolley. Yeah. Okay, look right. Let's go look for bread or something. Yeah. Come on. Hurry. Yeah, I know we don't have any peanut butter. I haven't seen any unless it's there, but I don't see it. So let's get us a smoothie. Yeah, I like the smooth peanut butter, guys. So, where's the bread? Oh, they moved the bread down there. Okay. Oh, here's the wholemeal. I'm got wholemeal, guys. I picked the one that's not so dark. Yeah, put it in the trolley. Don't chuck it in the trolley. Say, oi, Faye. Your cookie here, wait. Yeah, anyway, let's go. Let's go. La 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 la. La la. La la. Oi, noodles. Hey, I seen this on TikTok. I'm gonna get a packet. Which one? Maybe this red one? No, it says chili. Put it back. What about this green one? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Pork flavor. Oh, it'll do. Come on then. Put it down there. Oh, Now let's go. Oh, there goes that lady again. Look how she's trying to get in front of me. Hey, lady, you better get out of my way. Nah, don't be like that to her. Anyway, oh my. So she's still in my way. Lady. Liba, ontare. Yeah, okay. Man, a lot of things are half prices here. Oh, aren't we lucky? Like this, for instance, half price, $18. Pay full price, Leah. Thank you very much. This trolley is so small. I should have got the big trolley. Man, it's all off your boko. Yeah, okay. So, where to next? I'm looking at my trolley and I'm thinking, oh, you silly girl. You got this trolley and look, no, it's full. Okay. So, there I go, looking around. I don't know what I'm coming down here for, but this is how I shop. This is why I put extra stuff in my trolley, because I just go and, So I thought I'd get some hand sanitizer thingy. Yeah, oh, sorry, girl. So, I only got one. There's two parts of the house, Faye. Should have got two. I always do that. I always forget. Anyway, and I'm looking for, half price toothpaste. Yeah, okay. Yeah, one again. Oh my gosh. I always get two because I don't need that. No. So anyway, my mechanic. That was my mechanic. They just finished ringing up. Distract my voiceover. How dare you, Barbara? And so, I like that lady's pink top, jacket. Seeing I like your jacket style voiceover. Yeah. So where did I go? I can't remember now. See this? Franco took my distraction away. Yeah. Walk down here, girl. Walk down here. There was something I wanted to walk down here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's right. For spaghetti. I want spaghetti because look how I dumped my trolley and just get this packet because it's a big packet, and then it's enough for the corned beef for my kids. Corned beef and spaghetti. So now what? Confusion here, lady. Okay, push your trolley down there because I just remembered now. I usually come to look for like twisty and stuff down at the New Zealand section. Yeah, so here's the New Zealand section, and I'm looking around what I might want. Oh, yeah, one packet. Look how I hide my rations up there. Rude. So get me one, and then I'm looking around, and I'm thinking, oh, the aeroplanes. Oh, I love New Zealand aeroplanes. Bit hard on my teeth these days, yeah. Meow, meow. Yep, that's my aeroplane for today. So put it back, look around. Anything else? Yeah, what about those? Yeah, that's another snack for a cup of tea. Yeah, put it in the trolley. Don't just look at it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Off we go. Looking around. Yeah, o ai si me fi mga o yai. Kikilo so o ale kope kope. Oh, what about those prawn twisties? Get the prawn chips. There. Yeah. Say, where you looking? We kikilo no noodles. Karo Faye. Yeah, anyway, go back to those prawn chips. Yeah, right there. There. Yeah, get two. One for you and one for me. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ngala, yeah, put it properly. Yeah, okay, so any more? Look, nothing. Okay, oh yeah, one alloy for my son. He likes that, so push a trolley. Whoa, what's that man touching? Oh, two packets even. Yes, also, aku say if I pull out ngam, yeah, okay, gets a look. Oh, I nearly dropped it. It's only a magic 2-minute noodle. Say, it's a little nosy. Put it back. Yeah, so look out. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is that noodle stuff that people cook with rice. Oh, my little packet. Say, say. Yeah, push little trolley my out. It's a little nosy. Yeah, go, look. Anyway, girls, let's go. What else? Say Harry. Oh, yeah, Harry. Yeah, Harry. Yeah, ngala, yeah. Wala, yellow, kilo solo. Hey, little boy. What are you doing? Got a fire. Look how he wants some little crackers for himself. Yeah, okay. So, you know the problem when when I was standing here, I was looking at my trolley, right? I was looking at my trolley thinking, I'm only on the like second or third aisle, and look at my trolley, it's already full. Okay, so my daughter said to get her some of these chips, but these are the short ones. So there's the long ones over there. Yeah, nah, I'm gonna go for the long ones. So go for the long ones, but keep the little one for your mother. Yep, move over, little girl. I'm gonna get one, two, buckle my shoe. Yeah, say copia. Man, can you hurry up, Faye? I'm getting tired here waiting for you to put those in the trolley. Yeah, hurry up. Yeah, ngala, yeah. Tunga Faye, yeah, chips go kiki manguki nguki. Yeah, okay. Yeah, gotta get one of these peach teas for my kids. Yeah, they like peach tea, and I like the lemon tea. Yeah, they better not touch my lemon tea when I get home. Yeah, I will. Kumule Charlie. I look at my sister Charlie. Yeah, I like you. We're so full up. You know what, guys? I'm not gonna go further on because I gotta go and pay for this now. Because look, it's a little space right there on the corner. Okay, let's go and pay. So I went over there so I can get me a pork roll. I'm gonna get some pork roll because I'm thinking now I want to do a mukbang. Yeah. So looking over here, I like getting the crunchy pork roll over there. Hello, lady. Can I have one of those pork rolls, please? And one of those original. Yep. I'll have the brown bread, please. Yeah. It's nicely looks clean. Their food, which I like. And then I'm looking at the sugar cane. I think I'll get me a couple. Yeah, and this soup, I'll be getting this. It's $12 and it's really yummy. Yeah, oh, sorry, lady, what were you saying? Oh, yeah, please. Can I have just a little bit of carrot, though, please, lady? Anyway, guys, just watch how she does it. It's really yum. If you get this pork roll, I'm telling you guys, it's delicious. It's got a nice crunchy roll. It doesn't look crunchy, but so she's giving me a couple of slices of that, one slice of that, and another slice of that. Yeah. So I say to the poor lady, "Oh, excuse me, not a whole lot of carrots, please." And she said, "Yeah, okay, baby, don't worry." And I go, "Thank you." And then she's giving me some coriander. Oh, now I'm salivating over this, watching this again. Yeah, not too much. Yeah, lava family mole. Please, no more. Yeah, oh. I said no more. Yeah, lava. Se kuya mea le i ngā, o whea koe e lava. Yeah, soy sauce. Yeah, no more. Yeah, a pepper, no salt. Yeah, that's lovely. I like how they don't put a lot of filling in it. I hate a lot of filling. It's like so difficult to put in my mouth. Anyway, so she's going to make me another one. Can I have another one, please, lady? Yeah, sorry, I only said one. Yeah. Yeah, can I have a sugarcane drink as well in the soup? Oh, now she's going to go and place my order. Cecily, it's like we're besties right now. Oh, did you order my soup, lady? Oh, cute. Yeah, okay. So, let's just look how they both make it. Look at that. So professional. Yep, bit of butter. Bit of pate. Yum, yum, yum. The pate is very tasty too. Yep, couple of pork slices. She's making sure I don't get two pork, just one. And the soup. I can't wait to get it home. Yeah, yummy. So here I am. I'm at home now. And this is the soup that I got. And the little sauces there. My pork roll. Oh, this is the stuff that they have in it, guys. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having some Asian food. It's chicken spring roll and vegetable spring roll. And I also have a pho soup. Okay. And it has rice noodle and some of the sausage meat. And the meat was raw earlier, but it's cooked. And this is the basil stuff that go inside for flavor. I love, the more the merrier for me. Actually, this is the basil, and that was the mint. Oh, one job. Yeah, I love this. I put it all in there, and then here's the bean sprout. Go in there, get in there, more the merrier, and. Yeah. And squeeze in a bit of lemon. Now, this is the chili sauce that comes with it. That's a really nice flavor, and this one, I don't know what it is. Has a nice flavor. I don't know what it is though. Guys, I moved my mukbang table. Well, I got a new mukbang table actually. It was my daughter's table and she didn't want it, and I thought, bring it to me. I'll use it. And I also have a sugarcane drink, guys, and this is from the same place. I also have a pork roll. I asked not too much carrots. Yeah, I don't like too much carrots because they tend to put a lot of carrots in, but I only like a little bit. Usually I'll leave it out, the carrot, but the Asian lady said, have a bit of carrot. It's for the yin and yang. So I thought, oh lady, you're right. So this is my sugar cane drink, guys. So I'm just about to do a prayer, so let's get the prayer done and then we can eat. My prayer done, guys, and cheers. Yum. I love sugar cane drink. So, I better start enjoying my soup before it gets too cold. Here, guys, have some broth. Oh yeah, still warm. It's a cool baby. Cool baby. Even my glasses are fogging up. Thanks for joining me, guys. Yeah, take a bite of this. Nice and crunchy. These are nice spring rolls. I hope you guys enjoyed my shopping video. I thought I'll take you along this time, eh? The broth is nice and hot. I heated up the broth before I started eating and it's nice. I know I'll be tipping it everywhere, guys, but I've got to share. If you guys are like me and you love Faye, I love Faye. That was actually, that dipping sauce was actually hot. So I don't think I'll be dipping it in there again. This this meatball thing, I've seen how they made it on TV. It's on YouTube. It's nice. I thought, hey, what's this? But then when I actually saw it being made, I thought, I appreciated it. Asian food is one of the tastiest foods you can get. I'll dip it in this one. I think this little sauce is hoisin. Yeah, that's better. The other one's chili. This is the kitchen where I'm at. I moved here because my mum gets woken up when I'm doing my videos. So I feel sorry for her. So I thought, make a change. I hope you guys got something good to eat. I hope you guys are all well too. I uploaded a video on Sunday, right? And then I was told that maybe I shouldn't have uploaded it too early because my son's partner probably hasn't told all her family yet about the baby. And here I am putting it up on YouTube. So I'll quickly put it on private, guys, till I talk to my grandson's mama.
She said it was fine. She said it was A-okay. Because my son, he had come over and I said, am I not allowed to put the video up, about baby? And he said, no, we've already told all the important people, so yeah, sure, put it up. So I thought, okay, that's why I put it on private. Because I thought, man, my husband and I are so happy to talk about it, and then we got told, stop. But anyway, I sorted it out with my son and his partner. Cocktail. She said it's alright. Have you ever eaten like that somewhere? Like, you're going to eat and like the food goes the wrong way or the drink goes the wrong way and then you got this burst of cough. It's embarrassing when there's a lot of people around. Woohoo! But then again, you quickly tap yourself, get someone to punch in the back, get you a drink quickly and sort it out, and then compose yourself and back at eating. No harm done. I know. Don't worry, I did that. The last time I did that was in Mount Druitt. I went to eat and I drank a drink and then I went to eat, but the drink, I didn't swallow it down properly. And it sort of went jammed somewhere. It went out, elevated this way, escalated that way, and then, I could feel my face turning all red. And I just burst out coughing. Oi, oi. Oh, what a voodoo magic. Oh my. Yeah, like that. Oh, excuse me, guys. Yeah, like that. Oh, but I think my daughter's worse. Oh, yeah. How rude. And what made it worse, guys, is that when I was coughing, there must have been a little space over here in my mouth, and some of the food ricocheted out with a ping, like pew pew. And I thought, did anyone see me? I couldn't wait to get out of there. It was so embarrassment. So today was like one of the first times I went back in Westfield. Yeah. Because I know I've been to Kmart once after that, but I didn't go into Westfield. Embarrassment. Okay. See the coriander? I love the coriander. The best pork roll for me, I'm not putting this down, but the best pork roll for me, guys, is out in Bankstown. Bankstown, there's an old part of Bankstown, like where the Asians sell all their food. It's the older side. And my husband and I, when we used to stay at Greenacre, that's where my daughter gets her name from, Chilora. We used to stay in Greenacre, Chilora area. And our local shops was Bankstown. And we always went to the old side so we can have our, noodle soup and stuff like that. And after the noodle soup, I always get me a pork roll because the roll is so crunchy. Memory. Yeah. Yeah, take a bite, guys. Look at that. Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, 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 ooh. How rude. Ooh, 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 ooh. Anyway. you hear that crunch? This is wholemeal bread. Because I'm not touching the white bread anymore, guys. Because my daughter that moved in with us to stay with her, she loves making sandwiches. And she used to make me hungry, so I will give me some white bread and butter and make me some sandwiches. And I started getting like a jammed stomach, like something's happening. Like the food is just like uncomfortable. When I was younger, I didn't worry about going to the doctors because I was pretty healthy, you know. And I'm so healthy now. But now that I'm older, I always go and visit the doctor. If I have a little, I just go and see the doctor because it's better late than never, you know. Hang on, I said that wrong. Man, I'm fresh out sometimes. It's better early than late. Yeah. See, I was with the pork roll, now I come with the soup. God. That's what happens when you have too many food. Yeah. Wow. So, and I couldn't figure out why I was, feeling all uncomfortable. And then I saw on TikTok, and this guy goes, oh, white bread, go for wholemeal wheat and all this, because it makes you uncomfortable and all this. And saying all the symptoms that I was feeling. And I thought, ooh, even though I sort of realized now, after watching TikTok, what it was, he wasn't a doctor, so I went to the doctor. Guess what? I said to the doctor, I've been eating white bread. And then he said, does it make you feel uncomfortable and blah, 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 blah? I said, yes. He goes, well, go for wholemeal. And I thought, oh, yes. So now I have wholemeal, and I feel lighter, like no more jam, compact, No. I don't have pork roll when it's over, like a lot of filling. Some people like it because you get heaps for your money, But I like it when it's just a nice little amount like that. So this morning, right, something really, really nice happened to me this morning. So, I made my mom's breakfast, and then I took her to her, and then she came on the table, and she sat down, and she goes, oh, and I turned around and I said, because she's never said it to me before, and I go, yeah, and then she goes, and as she was saying it, I can hear her voice like getting teary. Oh, I've never heard her say it to me before, but today was like, it felt nice because she's a hard woman, my mom, and I don't know what made her say it today. Made me sad and made me miss my dad at the same time. I know. I'm just thinking, oh, I hope she's not feeling sad, like my poor mum, like she could be missing her husband. I don't know what goes on in her mind, but to hear her say that, guys, was really nice. Look, when we got the chance to look after our parents, small, big, medium, whatever, and if we can, do it, because you don't want any regrets. You can't reverse the time, once they're gone, Yeah, you can't. You can't wish for, I wish I did this, I wish I did that. Do it when there is time to do it. There should be plenty of time. Yeah, so don't hold back and say, yeah, they're all right. I'll go and see them this other time. That time may never come if you don't do it. So guys, remember your parents. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. Why I'm making the mukbang like a short one, guys, it's because I've got that video of my shopping to show you guys. And then it makes the video like this. Yeah, thank you guys for coming on my TikTok. And I love sharing TikTok stuff that I see on TikTok onto my Instagram. I love it. I love sharing, especially the ones that has meanings, some comedy ones, and some of myself. I know. Thank you guys. The food, delicious. Oh, I gave some spring rolls to my mom earlier. So I gave her the spring roll and then I come and put away my shopping. So I went to see if she needed like a tissue or, more food. How come all the spring rolls been unwrapped, only the insides are gone. And, and I go, oi, remember what I ate about there? The wrapping, the pastry of them. And she goes, yeah, I want to fussy paper. She thought it was paper, guys. Oh well, I should have told her. But anyway, she had everything else around it. So she had some vegetables inside and her other food and her drink. So today is a blessing of, today, Sydney, it's a lovely day. I hung out all my blankets and that. Yeah, I made my husband's bed the other day. Made it all nice, new sheets, fresh blankets. And then he come home, he opened up his room and he goes, oh, darling, you're the only one that loves me. He's such a dramatic man. Oh well, oh, my poor husband. He goes, oh, these kids, they don't love me. Ay, my poor husband. Anyway, thank you for hanging out with me, guys. I hope you guys like my new filming area, but I couldn't bother. I couldn't wake up my mom anymore, guys, because I felt sorry. I'm doing my videos, and the poor old lady is there. Well, take care where you are. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. It's a Glady. See you next time. That's my daughter talking out there, in case you hear her. She's on the telephone. Yeah. Okay. Pasoi fua. God bless. Take care. Fa. Hope you have some nice food too. And I hope you're taking care. God bless. Remember, always send thanks.